So this is the size eye hook that we're using. This is available at any of your hardware stores. But before we do anything, we need to pre-drill a hole into the frame. And normally what I like to do, put the hole, because if we come in too far, if we come in like right here, what it's going to do, eventually the weight will bow the wood. So we want to keep it out here where it's really strong. And it is definitely very strong here on the edge. So let me step right over here. So we are going to pre-drill our hole. We don't want to go all the way through. Okay, we want to pre-drill that hole right in the center. Now remember, we glued and screwed these. Now we're hanging this from the top, and you can see the screw is going in from the side. So that 1/8 inch drill bit is just a little bit, smaller than your eye hook. So that's how you want to hang. And then you'll take an S hook and you'll do the same above it wherever you're going to hang it. So you'll have 4 eye hooks total, 4 S hooks, and then whatever chain you need in between. On a previous window we came in 2.5. This window is a little bit wider. We don't want to get too close to the edge. So on this window we're coming in 3 inches with our pilot hole. Okay, 3 inches in on this just because of the length of the top rail on this frame. It'll just look better. If you get it too close to the edge, I mean, use your aesthetic eye. If it doesn't look right to you, it's not going to look right to anybody else. So this is the top of the window. And again, we used an 1/8 inch pilot hole. And this window right here, this piece of glass probably weighs about 25, 28 pounds, something like that. So I'm just taking the end of the screwdriver tip, I'm putting it right here in the hole on the eye hook, and if I have to use that to screw it down, that we're not going to have to worry about it pulling out. That just looks so nice. Our wood is so beautiful. Customers can finish it themselves, and everything looks good. So your handy tool, old school here, a stick rule. This one was my grandfather's. And the slide, you can't measure anything more exact than you can with this stick rule. It's an awesome piece of equipment for your tool arsenal.